Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Earth, D. Saturn. Answer is Mars. What is the capital of India? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. New Delhi, D. Bhopal. Answer is New Delhi. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. The blue whale, B. The elephant, C. The camel, D. The giraffe. A. The blue whale. How many continents are there in the world? A. 9, B. 5, C. 3, D. 7. Answer is D. 7. Thank you for watching this video.